Imagine waking up tomorrow. You check your phone and see breaking news. Yellowstone Supervolcano has erupted. A giant ash cloud is rising into the sky. Flights are stopping. Millions of people are watching in fear. One question spreads around the world. Could this change life on Earth forever? But what would really happen if one of the most powerful volcanoes on the planet suddenly awakened? Located in the United States, Yellowstone National Park is famous for its beautiful landscapes, wildlife, and incredible geothermal features. But beneath this peaceful environment is something much more powerful. Hidden underground is a massive volcanic system that scientists call a supervolcano. Unlike ordinary volcanoes, a supervolcano has the potential to create an eruption on a completely different scale. So what exactly would happen if Yellowstone erupted tomorrow? Could this change life on Earth forever? But what would really happen if one of the most powerful volcanoes on the planet suddenly awakened? Yellowstone is not just a normal volcano. Yellowstone is not just a normal volcano. Deep below the surface is a huge area of hot magma that has been forming for millions of years. Throughout Earth's history, Yellowstone has experienced several major eruptions. The last massive eruption happened around 640,000 years ago, creating a huge volcanic crater known as a caldera. Today, the volcano is still active. Scientists constantly monitor Yellowstone by studying earthquakes, ground movement, and changes in underground activity. If Yellowstone was going to erupt, it probably would not happen without warning. The ground could begin shaking with thousands of small earthquakes. The land around the volcano could rise as pressure builds underground. Then, if the pressure became too great, a powerful eruption could begin. A massive column of ash, rock, and volcanic gases could shoot high into the atmosphere. Within a short time, the sky above Yellowstone could completely change. The most dangerous part of a supervolcano eruption would not be rivers of lava. It would be volcanic ash. Unlike normal smoke, volcanic ash is made of tiny pieces of rock and glass. It can damage machines, affect engines, block sunlight, and make breathing difficult in heavily affected areas. A huge ash cloud could spread far beyond Yellowstone, depending on weather conditions. The effects would be massive. Air travel could be disrupted because volcanic ash can damage airplane engines. Roads and buildings could become covered with layers of ash. Agriculture could also suffer because crops and water supplies could be affected. Many communities would need to prepare for difficult conditions after such a powerful eruption. A super-eruption would not only affect one country. Large amounts of volcanic gases and particles could enter the atmosphere. These particles could block some sunlight and temporarily lower global temperatures. Scientists call this type of effect a volcanic winter. However, the exact impact would depend on the size and strength of the eruption. So, should people panic? The answer is no. Although Yellowstone is powerful, scientists are carefully monitoring it every day. There is currently no evidence that a massive super-eruption is about to happen. Yellowstone is a reminder that our planet is alive and constantly changing. A Yellowstone supervolcano eruption would be one of the most powerful natural events humans could experience. It shows us the incredible force hidden beneath Earth's surface. We may live on a peaceful planet, but nature still holds mysteries and powers beyond our imagination. What do you think? Could humanity survive a supervolcano eruption? Subscribe to WhyVerse for more incredible stories about Earth, science, and the mysteries of our world.